Where'd it go? Mom, Sarah, it disappeared.
What disappeared?
Woody.
Woody did?
Yeah. I think he just went to Grandma's house to eat his pie.
Oh, where'd he go?
I don't know, but...
Gotta find him. There's not many places to go on an airplane.
well, great. Alright, I guess we'll take a beautiful nap until we get there. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we make our final descent into Denver, please stow those laptops to the sides of track devices. The smaller ones will be able to use in airplane mode, but must be secured for the remainder of the flight. Please raise your seat back in your tray tables to the full and upright line position. All those carrying items stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. And fasten your seatbelts. Your flight attendants are going to come by one last time, pick up any cups, cans, newspapers.
Come on, Charlotte, let's get out of here. Okay.
Trash you may have. Thank you. Welcome to Denver.
Welcome to Denver, Johnny.
Yay! Wait, are we I want...
You had that last train.
I'm recording video.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my god, we are here. Woohoo! That was a good time. I did a good job by myself.
Yeah, well, you weren't by yourself, but yes, you did a good job.
I told you I did go as a little
I
kid.
know, Johnny. It's just a matter of you going through security, doing all that other stuff. So, a little scary.
Hey, we cannot see yet, Grandma, Mom.
Because we're in the clouds right now.
Okay.
Now we're in the clouds. That's right.
I think I'm gonna get back. I think I'm just gonna sit down.
Okay. Here, take your pillow. Take your pillow.
Okay. Mom, you better. Okay,
What are you doing?
Sorry, Mom.
Where are you putting your toys in?
I'm over here, and I'm gonna put. Wow, it is cloudy today. Hey, that's weird. It's cloudy today.
We're in the clouds. We're in the middle of the clouds.
Yeah, but it's dark.
We were above the clouds before.
Yeah, I
Now we're
remember.
in the middle of them.
Oh yeah, but I think it's cloudy today.
It's cloudy.
Cloudy and a chance of meatballs. Okay, so how many minutes we land? How many minutes we land?
About like 5 minutes or so.
Is it cloudy today, Mom?
No, it's not cloudy. It's just we're in the clouds. There's a little bit of clouds, but we're in the clouds. That's what it is.
Alright, could you put this? Could you put this in this bag?
Why am I holding on still?
Okay. I just need Sonic Boom. That's it. Cause I need a. Can you? I want to see.
No.
Buckle up.
No, we're not buckling him up.
Okay, he can buckle up. I'll just buckle up when next time we go to the airport. Yeah. Whoa, we're in Caldwell. This is amazing, Sarah. This is amazing.
You like flying?
Yeah, no, Bender. Johnny, you gotta take me next time. Next year you will. Wait, we're going back to Colorado? Mm-hmm. Next year, until we save money.
We'll see, Tony. Alright, look, now we're flying. We're landing.
Woo! Oh boy, we're Caldwell. Oh my god, that's beautiful. This is beautiful. Hey, is it cloudy today or it's foggy? It is foggy today right now.
It's
Whoa.
not that bad. Maybe a little, but not that
Wait, it's that. Hey mom, what is that a pool, Mom?
bad. I don't know. I can't see. Does it look like a pool?
No, but
Look, your phone. Look, your phone is getting the ball. There you go. That's a better picture of your phone. Are you recording?
yeah.
No, it doesn't look like it.
No,
Oh,
I,
yeah, you are.
yeah.
you are.
Okay, we're landing in about a minute, guys.
Oh, that, no.
Is that a pool, Mom?
Yeah, it is.
We go swimming?
I don't know, but you can see. I
Wow.
go to a water park tomorrow. Hopefully it's better.
Oh crap, this is not good, Mom. Look at this place. That's not cool at all. That looks like disaster. Mom, look. Looks like disaster, Mom.
Yeah.
Here we are, Grandma. Colorado. It is cloudy today. Today's chance is cloudy, Mom.
That's chance it's cloudy.
Look. Ugh. It's gonna be awesome. Hey, Shepard, look. Whoa. This is amazing. I can't wait to go do something. Hey, buddy, what? Can we go see a movie?
I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go first meet up with Grandma Beth at her house, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store.
Shh, don't tell him. Wait, first grocery store, we're gonna pretend.
Yes, and then we're gonna go back to the Grandma Beth's hotel and decide what Johnny and I and you guys will do while Grandma Beth has to go to work tonight. But she's off from work tomorrow and Tuesday. So we have all day tomorrow and then Tuesday to meet her.
And then Wednesday.
No, probably not right now. We only we'll wait and see. We don't know. Johnny, I don't know about your flight. I haven't made my decision just yet. So leave it alone. Okay. You that? That video is gonna be too long to post, isn't it?
It's okay.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works. It cuts half.
Okay.
I post longer videos and in about 16 minutes it works.
Okay, cool.
So after the movie there might be some arcade games we might go play.
Once we land and we get to town, we can talk to Grandma Beth about it. We can figure it out then.
But first, guys, I need you to stay in the car. Wait, why? You'll see.
We can stay in the car until we get to Grandma Beth's hotel and then we can go all in.
Okay. Whoa, cannot believe this is happening. Sorry, so sorry. Yep. Okay, so what are we going to do tomorrow? I guess we'll go swimming, but we can't. Why? Oh crap, the phone. Forgot.
No, the phone isn't good to go swimming.
How are we gonna record a video?
We're not recording a video while we go swimming, bottom line.
Rides still find me.
Yep, but during the water park, you're just gonna have to do without it. You can walk around with your phone a little bit, but you can't go on any water slides or anything like that.
Maybe we should not buy
I'm not buying another one.
just one time.
No! Those are expensive. When we're at the water park, you're gonna hang out with Grandma Beth and I, not just go out by yourself.
But I want to go by myself. Okay, but I like going by
I know,
myself.
but you gotta, Johnny, this is a trip about you hanging out with your grandma. And I don't even know, honestly, I might not go to the water park. I might go to work.
That's why I figured. It's like, Mom.
I would love to go to the water park, but I might have to go work instead. Probably a better idea if I do. It costs a lot of money for me to be here. I gotta see, like, my work stuff. How old is she?
I don't know. Well, look, Mom. Kunstwaschen worker.